Friends, so today we are going to print hollow rhombus star pattern. In this, first of all, I'm taking a input from a user. Just I'm taking a 5. After that, what we can do? First of all, as always, we print the outer loop. For printing the outer loop, we start building our logic. So first, for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to how much n, then I plus plus. So it is for the outer loop which we are printing always. So after that, what we will see, that we have a stars spaces in that. So for that, for int j equals to 1, j less than equals to how much it will, the space is just, if for first row the space is 1 2 3 4, the space is of 4. Okay, and for second row space is 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. So what we can understand, that space is n minus I. Okay, then I plus plus j plus plus. Okay, so this loop is for printing space. Okay, print, we are printing spaces. Okay, we close the loop. After that, what we will print, we are printing stars in. Okay, for printing stars, we make for int k equals to 1, k less than equals to how much, n, k plus plus. Okay, it is for printing stars. In this pattern there is a condition. Okay, the condition is, if row is 1, row equals to 1, then it will print whole stars. If row is equals to n, then it will print star. If column is equals to 1, then it will print column. If column is equals to n, so it will again print stars. Okay, so after that, in whole area, if there is all that condition is false, then it will print space. So what our logic, if I equals to how much, I will 1. Okay, or I equals to n. Okay, if k equals to 1, and or k equals to n. So if it is true, so it will print system dot out dot print. What will we print? Stars. Okay, else what we will print? System dot out dot print. We are printing spaces. Okay, so we have prepared our logic, we have printed that pattern. So after that, we print system dot out dot print ln. So we are giving line breaks. Okay, we are closing the loop. So this pattern is basically for hollow rhombus star pattern. So if you understand this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.